good, you go straight. No, straight. A little bit more to the right. Go on, you're good. Okay, keep going. So David and I are getting ready to paint the ceiling and hang some new lights. First, clean some of the cobwebs out. Yeah, it's starting to look good. At last we have the ceiling painted. Looks fantastic. Just need to get some more lights. Thankfully I've got a box here from Amazon. Hey Dave, any idea what's in the box?
No idea.
No idea? Let's open it. Right, I'll open it. Wow. This is not how to use a knife. I guess at least he's cutting away from himself. So we have some hexagon LED lights for the ceiling.
Yeah, the spacers, side connectors.
They're the connectors, yeah.
Okay.
How hard is it to go together?
Super, my man.
Super.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of paint on your hands there.
I feel like I'm doing this backwards.
Well, you want it backwards right now. We're going to see how big it is. Lay it out on the floor. Figure out where the middle is. So you want to make a hexagon. So you want one complete hexagon for the middle, and then 2 hexagons on either side.
I would have never guessed pros.
You wouldn't have guessed. Real time putting it together here. We're going to have to do something about this floor one day. Well, in the grand scheme of things, David found out there's outside corners and inside Y pieces, and he's definitely beating me because I've only got that done so far. So David figured out there is an outside bracket that looks like that, and then the Y bracket that looks like that. So we're going to use this to jump between the two. So we're going to have one on that side and one over there. So David is building them in mirror image, and then we can figure out where on the ceiling we're going to put them. Alright, you want to plug one in, see what it looks like? That's pretty bright.
More light in here than there was.
Whoa, 2 of them together.
2 of them, and then we paint that wall black and put 2 on that wall. We put 2 on that wall.
Well, we've got 1 and a bit on the ceiling. Looking pretty good right now. Getting that up was not easy. Balancing on top of the step ladder and marking it out and trying to get it square of the beam. Interesting. Okay, so by a happy little accident and being tired, I did the opposite of what I wanted to do. So now see if I lucked out and it will make it all way there. I don't know if it will. Well, we got within 2 inches. I'm not going to complain about that. So on the right hand side up here we're about touching the wall, and over here we are about 2 inches off, so maybe 3 inches. I'm not complaining. So David and I just finished installing the hex grid. They're the 2 current lights that we have in the garage, which are not much. So let me plug the other lights in. As you can see, that is a huge difference. It was a pain in the butt, but we got it there. With David passing tools on the ground, we're able to get it up. So Dave, how do you think the lights turned out?
Right.
You think we got any?
Nah. Not at all.
Can you see what you're doing now?
No.
No?
Somebody made my truck lid back up.
I think they look pretty good. And they almost match all the way across too. Need to tidy the wires up there in the middle next time we have the car out, but other than that, progress.